Ja, rätt profilklädd också.
Får jag bara dra dig lite grann?
Varför ska du dra mig?
Oh, hi Jake, this is Sassan. You don't see him, huh? No, he's a white guy. Okay, this is the Taxi Stockholm car with no lighting on it. And we just turn it on for you. Show it. This is with the EL. The taxi car is available now. Och så får du en körning. Like that. Like the yellow lamp on the roof. See? Nice. Och så får du en tomkörning. Good. Jake, it's fantastic. Check out the roof lamp. Och så får du en körning. Ja. That's the sun. That's the sensor. It's good, it's working perfect. See the roof lamp? Same as the yellow one. Beautiful. Och så tänder du allting. Beautiful, Jake. Thank you. See you in 2 weeks, Jake. Bye bye.